Similar to our Group and Connector tool, you can now import new Lazada orders into Limworks for processing. The Group and Connector is another Limworks application developed by eBusiness Guru. This ties in with your Groupon orders with your Limworks account, and once processed, the Groupon control panel is updated with a tracking number, and the Groupon Limworks dashboard is updated when this is dispatched. Now, the Lazada order import functionality in the connector will have to be enabled in the application setting button in the Lazada connector for orders to be imported from Lazada. Once again, you can click the application setting button here, and you can click on order imports for this to be working. You can view a list of daily orders into Limworks in the Lazada connector in the dashboard. The dashboard is where all of your Lazada and Limworks activity comes together in an attractive graphical and tabular format. And this will give you all the important information you need in a snapshot for picking, packing, and for your records. You can also view a list of process orders that have been imported for the day in the same format in which the orders have been marked as processed in Limworks. The tracking numbers will also be shown for both the postal services and the Lazada order. Both order types can be viewed in the graphical and the tabular format to demonstrate order performance. If you want to be able to compare not only order performance, but also the performance of your selling channels and products, LinkQuick is the application for you. This is a Limworks mobile app which can be downloaded from the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store for smartphone users to enable them to track their sales and order performance over a daily, weekly and monthly basis whenever you are away from your Limworks PC and wants to update to the minute with what is happening with all your transactions. Whenever the sync button is toggled on, the automated synchronization service is toggled on in Lazada connector, when toggled on, the automated synchronization service in the Lazada connector runs on a regular time interval. However, if you ever require immediate data sync, you can click on these sync buttons here to trigger data sync manually in the synchronized status box in the dashboard. The documentation will allow you to access the user manual. You can read this by scrolling down the page. If you have any technical inquiries, the support button here, which is the phone symbol, will allow you to contact the app support team. Help symbols are flagged all over the application by each box if you ever need assistance or more information regarding a particular feature or functionality in the Lazada connector. And thank you for watching the Lazada video series for Limworks. If you have any more questions, you can contact us. Our details are over here by clicking the phone button. You can also visit ebusinessguru.co.uk for more information. You can engage in a live chat conversation with a member of the staff. You can give us a call, or you can give us an email, as you can see.